Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you can bring out your large coins, like this one, in a natural way, so you can use them without raising any suspicion or doubt from your audience. Because for me, if you just pull out a coin this big and start using it for magic, especially a coin that people nowadays aren't really familiar with, it feels a bit awkward, as if there's something unnatural going on. And surely in their minds, it would seem suspicious, like there's something hidden inside that large coin, which is why it has magic. That's why I think it is always better to start with your regular coins or your local currency coins before start using your large coins. Alright, so the first thing you'll need to do is either borrow 3 coins from your audience or just take 3 regular coins from your pocket or wallet, then say something like this. Did you know that this coin can actually grow big? And this too can also grow just as big as this one. Alright, so now I'll make this one grow too, and this one as well. So there you go. You can now start your 3 coin routine using large coins. And if you want to learn how I turned the 3 regular coins into large coins, the tutorial is available at oggymagic.com.